Hey everyone, check out the Ascent Bike Gift Tool, a 20-in-1 multi-tool designed for every cyclist's needs. This compact, lightweight kit combines various hex screwdrivers, wrenches, and spoke tools to handle any bike repair on the road or trail. Made from durable stainless steel, it resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance through daily use. Its universal design fits easily in your pocket or bike bag, making it perfect for quick fixes anytime. Whether you're a casual rider or serious biker, this multi-tool covers all essential functions in one stylish package. It's an ideal gift for family, friends, or anyone passionate about cycling. Stay prepared and ride confidently with the Ascent 20-in-1 Bicycle Multitool. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.